Good morning. Alandre stood at the bench, young, nervous, trying to smile, but the worry was stitched across her face like a thread she couldn't cut. The judge reviewed the case. You have 3 parking tickets and a red light violation. The screen lit up. North Main and Branch Avenue. Timestamp locked in. The city allows you 0.2 of a second, he said, and you went through at 0.4. Inspector Quinn added, she was trying to stop, but then didn't. The judge raised an eyebrow. I didn't see any brake lights. She was going 27 miles per hour. Look again, she was trying. Oh, I see it now. He turned to Alandre. Get close to the mic. Were you trying to stop? Her voice cracked. Yes. We're just having some fun with you, he said gently. Don't get nervous. Her eyes welled up. I have postpartum. I just had my baby. And suddenly her nerves made sense. The shaking, the trembling. The judge softened instantly. It's okay, relax. There's Kleenex for you, don't worry. I'm sorry, she said, breaking down. It's me, Tell us about the baby. He's 2 months. What's his name? Brayson. Is he your first? Yes. She nodded, wiping her eyes. Her tears weren't just about court. They were about everything. The weight of being new to motherhood, the pressure, the fear, the exhaustion. I'm sorry, I've never been to court before. Don't apologize, take your time. Nothing bad's going to happen here. She nodded, trembling less now. All right, he said. Here's what we're going to do. We're dismissing the red light ticket. Inspector Quinn chimed in. I was watching the wrong video before. I see it now. She was trying to stop. So the red light is gone, the judge said. 3 parking tickets, each $20, but they had tripled. Now $60 apiece. I'm going to waive the penalties, he said. So $60 total. Then another pause. You've got a boot fee, $100. That one is mandatory. She fumbled in her bag. I have $60 on me? I'm going to release the boot. I'm not going to take your $60. You've got a baby. She gasped, quiet, disbelieving. We'll release the boot, he repeated. No money today. He looked at her. How much can you pay per week after this? I'm just waiting for my TCI to come in. Mail it in when you can. How much can you realistically pay? I can do $20. Are you sure you can afford that? Once I know my amount, I'll send what you need. No, he said gently. Don't overdo it. Take care of the baby first, then worry about parking tickets. She smiled through her tears. Nothing bad is going to happen here, do you understand that? She nodded. I almost never release a boot without $100 paid up front, he said. He paused. In your case, I'm releasing it. No money today. Tears again. This time from gratitude. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you. She left not just with a cleared ticket, but with her dignity intact. A young mother, a 2-month-old, and a judge who saw past the paperwork into the person.